Welcome back to Camp With Me. Today we're in the Pisgah National Forest near Linville, North Carolina, checking out 4 cool sites at Old Mortimer Road and Harper Creek Road.
We're here at Forest Road 58 and Harper's Creek Road. It turns into Kawana Road 58. We came up
Old Mortimer Road.
But there's a cool campsite over here and then some more over here. Doesn't really look like they camped down here. It's probably something up top. But if you don't want to climb this hill, definitely park down here. Looks like somebody made that out of concrete. Another fire pit up here. Overview of the road. Though you're at the intersection, you can't even really see the camper on the video, but I can see it here. Let's see what's over here. This is just another entrance. There's the road. Right next to a telephone pole. So yeah, you could get up here easily from this side. Let's go look at the other one. Alright, so from that one, across the street. Here it looks like some old ties, maybe a parking area. And there's a path. To the creek. Oh, sweet. An old bridge. That's a bunch of decking boards. Whoa, I ain't walking on that. I see why they're here. Somebody was gonna fix it. So if you want to come fix this, come do it. '58 Kawana Road. amazingly level. Got some wood seating, as long as nobody burns it. That's another pretty good fire pit. Dug down. Nice flat area for a tent. Very little privacy from the road. Out there, but back here it's not bad. Got some fire sticks and extra rocks. Decent amount of wood to get you started. Some more cut up over here. Plenty of trees in the area have fallen to storms. So if you have a chainsaw, you definitely collect enough wood. Not too bad. You can get a car in here if you want. And you can turn around and you can change your mind. That's pretty soft. Yeah. Little fire pit. That's about it. Enough room for another tent. Trail thins out. Maybe you can come check out, see where it goes.
So that's all the sites right here. Check out some of our other videos. There's some more down Old Mortimer Road. Help the channel out. Like and subscribe.